Hi everyone, welcome back to our second lesson on fractions. Hopefully everything made sense yesterday where we had to look at a diagram and write down what fraction had been shaded in. Today we're going to be looking at a fraction that's been given to us in number form, and then we're going to put that onto a diagram. So we remember that when we talk about fractions are parts of whole amounts. So yesterday we said circles were cakes, and if we had a rectangle that was a chocolate bar, but it can be a fraction of anything. So it could be a fraction of a person or a gingerbread man. That's a bit of a crazy looking gingerbread man. And as long as it's a part of the whole amount, then we're talking about a fraction. So if we were having a look today at our questions, you might get given a fraction that was, for instance, 3/4. So remembering from yesterday, the top number had a special word that it was called. It is, Maddie, do you want to say that out loud? Numerator. That's Maddie, my daughter, and she's telling us that the top number is called the numerator. And then we had a bottom number, and that bottom number was telling us how many parts our whole amount had been divided up into. And it was called a special word as well. If you can remember, started with D, it is denominator. So if we've been given the fraction 3/4 and we're told that we need to shade in 3/4 on the diagram, then that means we have to divide our whole amount up into 4 pieces. We need 4 pieces. And we're only interested in shading in 3 of them. So the 3 here tells us that's how many pieces we need to colour in. 3 pieces. So today you're going to get given a whole heap of questions that say colour the fraction in each shape. And all you have to do is look at the shape, and you're going to be super lucky today because your shapes are going to come already pre-cut up for you into equal parts. And when you get your question sheet, it's going to say colour the fraction in each shape. And we might have for the first question, colour 1/2. So we know that the diagram's right because we've got 2 pieces that are cut into, but we only need 1 of them coloured in. So you'll colour in 1 piece. Then your second question might say that you need to colour in 2/4 or 2/4. Now we know our diagram's in the right shape. It says 4 here, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces we've been cut into. We are only interested in shading in 2 of them. So you can pick whatever 2 you want, and it doesn't matter. It'll still be 2/4. Here, this shape's also been divided into 4, but we might only be interested in 1/4 or 1/4. So we say, righto, which one do we want to pick? And you can pick any one to colour in and it will still be right. We might pick this piece over here, and that means we've coloured in the right fraction. So that's what today's lesson is about. It's about having a look at a fraction in a number form. So you might have 5/7 or you might have 9/11. And it won't matter what fraction you've been given, you're going to have a look at a diagram and you're going to check that it's been cut into the right number of pieces, and then you're going to colour in the top number of pieces that you've been given. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Good luck, everyone.